Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this short video lecture I will discuss a house planning in the dimensions of 28 by 68 feet. I designed this house plan for one of my clients, so if you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. This is paid services, not for free. This is ground floor plan, this is first floor plan, and this is its front elevation for boundary wall and main gate, also for front elevation. Okay, so let's get started guys. If this video is helpful for you, so you may like this video. Guys, this is ground floor plan. Okay, the first one guys, you can see this is roadside, this is a road. Okay, as you can see guys, this is main entrance, so this is a driveway, this is main gate, this is a driveway. So the first one you can see, this is carport, size is 15 feet 9 inches by 11 feet and 6 inches. This is front lawn, which width is 10 feet. Guys, you can see two sides are open. Okay, this is open gallery, which width is 5 feet, back side is 8 feet. Okay, you can see clearly. Guys, you can see here this is main entrance. So when you enter by this main entrance, so the first one you can see, this is powder room, size is 4 feet 4.5 inches by 5 feet. Okay, so the first one guys, you can see from this porch, the first one is a drawing room, size is 12 feet by 18 feet. This is its window to the front lawn side. Okay, next guys, you can see we have the access to this dining, or from this dining to this drawing. So size is 12 feet by 16 feet 7.5 inches. So from this TV lounge, you can see guys, this is up for first floor. So this is a stair, half circular stair. So this is the TV lounge. Size of this TV lounge is 11 feet 6 inch by 18 feet 1.5 inch. This is window, and this is window for this powder room. Okay, so the first bedroom guys, you can see size is 13 feet 4.5 inches by 16 feet, and this is its window. This is the dressing bath, size is 13 feet 4.5 inches by 6 feet. This is its window. You can see this is guys wardrobe. Next guys, you can see this is a kitchen, size is 9 feet 9 inches by 16 feet. This is a pantry, size is 4 feet by 6 feet. This is its window to this back side. Next guys, you can see this is veranda, size is 6 feet 9 inches width. Okay, and here we have circular stair for the first floor also, and this is back side rear, which is 5 feet. Okay, so this is ground floor plan guys, you can see clearly. Next guys, you can see this is first floor plan. This is down for ground floor. So the first one guys, you can see this is a bedroom, size is 10 feet 9 inches by 14 feet 6 inches. This is its bath, size is 6 by 8 feet. Okay, this is its window. Next guys, you can see here, this is the open to sky, you can see, and this is the terrace, right? This is low roof on the top of this garage or porch. Okay, next guys, you can see this is sitting area or living room, size is 10 feet by 7.5 inch. This is its window. So this is the second bed, size you can see 12 feet by 16 feet 7.5 inches. This is its bath, size is 8 feet by 6 feet. This is open to sky, size width is 2.5 feet. Okay, this is the third bedroom, size is 13 feet 4.5 inches by 16 feet. This is its dressing bath. You can see the wardrobe, size is 13 feet 4.5 inches by 6 feet, and this is terrace. At the back side, as I told you here, this is the circular stair. Okay, so therefore guys, you can see this is the servant quarter, size is 9 feet 9 inches by 11 feet 7.5 inches. This is toilet, common toilet, which size is 4 by 4 feet. Guys, you can see clearly. This is a window for this bedroom. This is corner window for this bedroom. Okay, this is this window for this bedroom. Guys, you can see this is first floor plan. Next guys, you can see this is its front elevation and 2D designing, you can see clearly, and this is gate boundary wall. Hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.